When it comes to money, do you ever wish you had learned some lessons earlier in life?
What if they taught you about how to balance a checkbook or apply for a loan right in high school?
Sound like a good idea? Well, one local bank is doing just that at Rocky Hill High School.
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Nutmeg State Financial Credit Union is now open for business at Rocky Hill High School. And some of the students here are working as interns. So there's a bank in the actual high school. And Alicia, are you working here? You can help us?
Yes, I work here during my study halls.
Alicia helps other students open a checking or savings account or even learn about credit cards and loans. She even got a summer job at Nutmeg, where she got even more real-world experience with money.
I feel like I'm super lucky to know about this, especially going off to college next year. I think it's extremely important for kids to be able to learn about finances and managing your own money.
Are you balancing your checkbook better now?
I am.
John Holt is the president and CEO of Nutmeg State Financial Credit Union, and he's excited to open his first high school branch. So putting a bank in a high school, that actually sounds like a pretty good idea.
Yeah, we wanted to kind of get into a place where we know that young people will be starting to learn early. We want to teach them the ways to bank, use an ATM machine, open an account on the tablet, apply for a loan, and it gives us a chance to talk to them about banking. I don't think that they necessarily get a lot of that here per se, and we always hear that there's a lot of misinformation or they don't have enough information about how to even balance a checkbook or use a debit card, so now's our chance.
There's an ATM here, and business students like Mike Pantano will be on hand to help fellow students. So what's your job going to be here?
I'm just going to be helping out the students if they need help learning anything with the bank. I'm going to be helping them setting up accounts and giving them money when they need it.
What do your parents say when they find out you're learning this?
They're very surprised, and they definitely didn't learn when they were this young either.
The idea to put a bank inside the high school has been a long time coming. But with the new renovation, they interviewed a few banks and decided on Nutmeg.
We hear from a lot of parents, a lot of former students who go off to college and post-secondary. They have no idea how to apply for a loan. They have no idea about credit cards. So we thought it just made sense to partner up with someone in high school and just teach them those skills. So it made perfect sense to do a neighborhood partner like Nutmeg up the street. So we're very happy.
Cynthia Latina is the business education teacher here at Rocky Hill High School, and she's happy to give her students experience that can change their lives.
It's real world. That's what it is. So we're very happy to be able to do it.
What's something you didn't know before?
I didn't know what a credit union was before, and now I really respect that it's a credit union. See, it's not a big corporation, and it's all for the people.
Well, just opening an account in the first place has been really valuable because I never knew how to do that in the first place. And just learning to manage your money, learning how to use an ATM because we have one on site, it's just really great.
And you know, so many people have issues with student loans, credit card debt, they get in trouble. Do you feel like you're going to have such better habits because of this?
Yeah, we've been afforded the opportunity as a school to learn more about finance and managing our money before we even go off to college and go into the real world, so it's really valuable.
Students will be learning about banking in class, and there's also an incentive to open an account. Students will get $50 and teachers get $25. Mr. Brown, the technology teacher here, signed up.
It is really convenient having a bank here because there have been times when I'm like, oh, I need a little cash, and the ATM machine's right here, and I don't have to drive, all over Creation looking for an ATM machine.
That's really cool.
Isn't it interesting? The bank inside Rocky Hill High is just for students and teachers there. Nutmeg hopes, though, if it goes well, they will open other high school locations.
All right, for more information on the programs offered, you can visit the bank on the web at nutmegstatefcu.org.